Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a pet trust with pettrust.com detailed guide step by step clearly. Creating a pet trust can be a straightforward process with pettrust.com. First, visit pettrust.com in your web browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the option to get started or create a new trust. Click on that option to begin the setup process. Next, you will be asked to create an account. Provide your email address and choose a secure password. After that, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to confirm your account and proceed. Now, log in with your new credentials. You will be directed to a step-by-step guide. The first step is to enter information about your pet. Include your pet's name, species, breed, and age. Next, you will need to designate a trustee. This person will manage the trust on behalf of your pet. It's essential to select someone responsible and trustworthy. You will also specify the amount of funds to be allocated. Decide how the funds should be used for your pet's care. Pettrust.com will provide a list of acceptable expenses. Review the list and select the appropriate options. Next, consider including instructions on your pet's living arrangements. You may want to note any preferences for caregivers or housing. As you fill in the information, keep an eye on the progress bar. Once you complete each section, the bar will update. After inputting all necessary details, review your entries for accuracy. Make any adjustments if needed before moving forward. Next, you will be prompted to finalize your trust documentation. Pettrust.com may offer options for digital signing. You will need to sign the trust agreement to make it official. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.